Hey guys, so in this video we're going to learn how to both screen and voice record on our mobile device. So for some of us, we actually want to do screen record for the purpose of creating content, or some other persons would want to screen record in order to record something on their full screen and send to someone, and for other purposes. As for me now, I'm actually screen recording to create this video. So some of us also, we have screen recorders inbuilt on our phone as a part of the phone feature, but some phones do not have any recorder as part of their features. So for this video, we're going to be using an app that we're going to download on Google Play Store to achieve this purpose of recording our screen and our voice. So that app we're going to use is AZ Recorder. So what we just have to do now is to go over to the menu section, and then we're just going to scroll down to our Google Play Store, which we have here. So just click on Google Play Store. So when it brings you here, you just have to click on the search bar, and then you type AZ Recorder. So you click on AZ Recorder, and then you see this. This is the AZ Recorder we're going to use. So what you just have to do, you can just click on it. So on my screen now, it's the two buttons displayed are uninstall and update. That's because AZ Recorder is already installed on my device, but for you who don't have it, it's obviously going to show download. So by clicking on the download button, it's going to download into your device. So since I already have it, what I just have to do is to go back. I'll just go back to my menu section. You just go to your menu section and you search for AZ Recorder. So you click on AZ Recorder. So by clicking on AZ Recorder, it's not actually going to bring you directly most times. It will actually take you. It will actually bring up a pop-up that looks something like this. To bring a pop-up that looks like this, a video camera kind of floating button, floating icon on your screen. So when you click on it, it's going to give a countdown from 3 to 0, and then it starts recording. But just for us to explore some of the functions of AZ Recorder, we'll just go over to the AZ Recorder on our phone. And from here, as you can see, for this first tab, we have some of the videos that I have actually recorded, and then for the second one, we have some photos. I have some screenshots that I've actually taken. AZ Recorder has a feature that enables you to do screenshots, which is this that you can see right here. You can either enable it or disable it. So if you enable it, you'll be able to take screenshots on your phone screen. And also, if you swipe to these other parts, you have the setting tab. Here you can actually adjust the resolution, video quality, frame rate. So for the resolution, we have different resolutions. We have for 360p, 720, and even higher. Good. So we have various resolutions that you can record your video at. So if I click on the resolution, okay, now since I'm using AZ Recorder to record right now, it said that I actually cannot change the preference during recording. So the others, some of the feature we actually want to play around with is like this frame rate. Now it's actually meant to make our video smoother. Just that we would then need to have a better CPU processor for our device. We need a phone with a very powerful CPU in order to work with higher frame rates. But for now, I just place as auto recommended. Then also for this audio source, since I'm using my phone mouthpiece to record the audio, I just place it as microphone. We also can't change, we can't adjust it. Some other features we can play around with. We can also play around with, if you toggle it on now, you're going to see your screenshot. So for the screenshot, you can actually click on the icon and then it will screenshot your screen for you. So that's about it. I think I should toggle it off. Then we have the camera, we have brush, we have live screen, and all of those. We also have use trash. For this use trash is in order for your videos not to be deleted directly when you just delete them. So maybe if you mistakenly delete a video that you're not supposed to delete. It won't just delete totally from your device, but it's going to be saved in the trash until you finally want to delete it from the trash. So, some other feature I think you also want to know. Okay, you say the stop option. So for this stop option, it gives us the option to stop our records when the phone screen goes up, which is the first option there. If you toggle it on now, it's going to stop the record whenever the screen light goes off. While for the second one, which is what I'm using now, as you can see it's toggled on, it's meant to stop the record when you check your phone screen by checking it a bit vigorously. So if you do that, it's going to stop the record. So you just have to be very careful with how you shake your phone in order not to disrupt your record. Then also you can use time limits. Maybe if you're making a 10 minutes video, you can just enable time limits. So as once it's once it's 10 minutes, the video should just go off. So you can go back, and another feature you also want to explore is this magic button position. So for the magic button position, for those that make use of shake device in order to stop the record. Now this magic button position actually enables us to pause our video. It wouldn't make sense if the pause icon is on the screen while we're recording. So it's actually like a magic button hidden on our phone screen. So if I click on it now, you see it gives us two options. Either to place the magic button at the top right of our screen or at the top left of our screen. So on my device now, it's actually at the top left, up this way to the top where we have our hamburger icon for the settings. So if I click there now, it's going to it's going to pause the record. Then if I click it again, it's going to continue. Just that it won't reflect in the video, in the record itself. So these are some of the features that we have in AZ recorder. Another very important feature we can also explore here is this show touches. Touches is this thing you see here. As you can see, when I slide my finger on my screen, you see a kind of circle kind of touch on the screen. So in order for you to enable this, you actually need to go over to developers option to enable it. So you have the instruction here. If you want to do that, then I think I should just do it right now. So you just go over to the developers option, and then you go to your menu section, and then you go over to settings. Good. So at settings, you scroll down and you go to system, and then you click on advanced. Then you see developers option. For some devices, you're going to see build number. So what you just do, you just click on it about 7 times, and then it will bring a pop-up that you're now a developer, and then you'll be able to access this. So what you just have to do, you have to search for show touches or show tabs. So as you can see, it's toggled on right now. If I toggle it off, even now that I'm hovering on my device, it's not reflecting. But if I toggle it on, you can see it as reflected. So that's how you enable that on your device. So if we go back to AZ recorder now, I just simplified everything that was stated here. So these are some of the features you can explore in AZ recorder. So if you enjoyed this video, please do it to subscribe, and you can also click on the notification bell if you want to be notified on more content I create later. And if you also enjoyed the video, please just do it to like and share it to others. Thanks, and do have a nice day.